Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Katrina Algodon, 30 years old, married with 2 kids, ages 6 and 1. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, ages 29, 28, 27, and 17 years old. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 2 years. I served for 3 adult and 1 kid, ages 60, 28, 27, and 2 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing the dishes, and taking care of the baby. I promise to do my best to do my duties. I am honest, patient, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I promise to finish my contract and very much willing to extend as you wish. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.